Not every meal you make has to be super fancy, but it still can look fancy. Slice your pineapple right down the middle. Now let's get its guts out. Pineapple's so delicious. Now let's pop our Hawaiian chicken right in the microwave. Just follow the instructions on the box. Once your chicken's done, pop the rice in the microwave. After this is nice and hot, put it in your pineapple. Now we take our meat and pineapple mixture. And I'm going to take some fresh pineapple and lay it in here as well. And to look super fancy, homegrown scallions. And here we have our fancy, but not actually fancy dinner. All from Aldi. Deliciously simple every time.